Okay, so first graders, we are on Check My Progress. This is chapter 2, and it is on starting on page 139. All right, so we're going to be matching up some vocabulary checking. First, we're going to do 4 different words, and we're going to match them up with the definition. So we have the word subtract, minus sign, subtraction number sentence, and the difference. So right here, the first one here, this is called that minus sign. So let's go ahead and draw a line right there to that. Then the second one says to take away a part from the whole. And we know that means the definition of subtraction. The answer in a subtraction problem, we're going to call that the difference. And a subtraction number sentence, that's what this one is down here. So when you see 6 minus 5 equals 1, this 1 right here is called the difference. All right, so we're going to tell a number story next about these hippos. Write how many are left. So I know I have 5 here and I have 2 here, and I know that 5 plus 2 is 7. So we're going to say that there are 7 hippos, and we're going to take away 2 hippos who are walking away. And it is going to be equal to how many are in the water right now. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put your 5 down. All right, we are now going to turn the page. I always love these check the progress pages because they're so easy. All right, so here's some really easy math here. We've got a subtraction sentence to write for number 6. So we have to start with our total. So we consider this part of the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 giraffes. Let's get out a writing tool. So go ahead and write your 5. And then we are going to say minus, and how many do you see that they took away? They took away 1. And then we're going to put our equal sign inside that circle. 5 take away 1 is equal to how many that are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. And hopefully you guys are getting the hang of this where you're not having to count as much. You can just look at it, and it's called subitizing when you can see that there are 4 left. All right, so number 7, 9 take away 3, and how many are left if we have 9 total and we're going to take 3 away? Look how many are left, and on a domino it's super easy to see that that is a number 6. All right, let's do this other domino math. We have 7 take away 2, so we have 2 to go away, and how many are left? 5. Domino math is so fun because you could really get to see that visual. All right, number 9. There are 5 monkeys on a tree. 0 monkeys get out of the tree. How many monkeys are left in the tree? Ooh. All right, so your answer is 5. And the reason why is because anytime we take 0 from a number, we're still going to have that number left over. All right, so test practice. There are 9 owls. 3 owls fly away. How many owls are left? So 9 take away 3, how many do you get? Is it 6, 11, 7, or 12? I'm going to say we have 6. And I'm not really doing that bubble very good, but I'm sure you can bubble that in. And when we bubble something in, we just color in that little circle. All right, you are all finished. That was very quick today. All right, first graders, I hope you're doing great. I miss all my classroom first graders. You guys are so awesome, and I hope that you like your new packets and that the next few weeks are good for you. All right, talk to you later. Bye.